You know, everybody that comes over to my shop, they see my snowblower ramps. You know, if they're bringing a machine over, they don't have ramps, they can use mine. They say, hey man, where did you get these ramps? I mean, everybody that comes over here wants to know. Now I'm going to tell you how I made these. They're really cheap, affordable, and it's just easy as pie. I got this wood. This is a 2x10 by 6 piece of wood that I got from a construction site. The ones that I use right here, they're 2x12 by 6. And then I made another site for my wife's wheelchair to use up and down the deck, and you know, going into the house. So I got these for free. You know, everybody in the neighborhood's always giving away free lumber, construction sites or whatever. You could purchase it, I guess, but with so much free stuff around, you know, I just got some free stuff. So I cut it to length, 6 foot each, and then you can get the kit on Amazon or eBay. I got the kit there, and you can. It has the holes in it. If you want to put it through screws or chain it up the ends. So all you have to do is put it on the wood. You know, line up the holes, mark the holes, drill the holes, and then attach it with the hardware they give you. This is stainless steel hardware, and then it's got the backing paper that you can put on. It's got all the instructions in it. I'll put a link to the kits that I got on Amazon. I think they're $20 or $22 or whatever. But it only took me about 10 or 15 minutes to make these. I mean, I already cut the wood to length, and then I drilled the holes, put the hardware in there, and then tighten it up. So if you have a snow blowers or lawnmowers or, you know, wheelchair like I do, or whatever you need to load up and down in your truck, you know, with a dolly or whatever, this is a pretty affordable way to go. You know, it's easy, it's fairly cheap, especially if you can find the wood, you know, for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out our Facebook group, Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts. We've got a lot of neat money-saving tips for your Hondas, and you can do it yourself. If I can do it, all you people can do it. I really appreciate you watching and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.